Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can freeze videos in CapCut. Super simple. You're just going to go to the part where you want it to freeze, select it, and then you are going to make sure you select it, and then you're just going to scroll until you find the freeze button here. Just select freeze and it's going to freeze in that part of the video, as you can see right here. And that is pretty much how you can freeze a video in CapCut. Super easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if you found this video helpful, please click on the thanks button on like the description box, I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.